Hello everybody! This is a bit of a different video. Today I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be telling you, not showing you because I don't have a camera, how to use a pair of scissors correctly. Now, this is an issue that I actually struggle with a lot as a left-handed person because all the scissors in my house are made for right-handed people and it's fucking horrible. Step 1. Get a pair of scissors that works with your dominant hand. I've already failed. Although it may seem like all scissors are the same. The blades on left-handed pair of scissors are mirrored to make them more effective at cutting. Hold the scissors to the smallest hole in the handle is face up and look at the blades. If the top blade is on the right side, then they are right-handed scissors. If the top blade is on the left, they are made for left-handed people. If you're teaching a child to use scissors, be sure to buy blunt-ended safety scissors so they don't hurt themselves. If your child doesn't have a dominant hand, allow them to try both right and left-handed scissors. Don't force them to use a particular kind. Now, I feel attacked by that because I was forced to use right-handed scissors, so I figured out a trick for using any pair of scissors. So let's read through this and I'll tell you my trick. Put your thumb through the smaller hole in the handle. Handles of your scissors will usually have a small hole and a larger hole so you can get the best grip. Slide your thumb into the smallest hole from the right if you're right-handed, and from the left if you're left-handed. The larger hole should be below the smaller hole and your thumb. If the scissors have the same size holes, position the scissors so the top blade is on the same side as your dominant hand before putting your thumb in. If you're teaching a child to hold scissors, tell them to give a thumbs up so their hand is in the right position for holding scissors. That's bullshit. And that's just wrong. And you make the Lego hand. Mark the handle that's supposed to be on top of the sticker, or a marker to make it easier to see. Step 3. Keep your index and middle finger in the larger hole. Slide your index and middle fingers into the hole from the right side if you're right-handed, or the left if you're left-handed. Press the fingers against the top edge of the handle. Keep the scissors closed. Tuck your ring finger and pinky into your palm as if you were making a fist. You can put your other fingers into the larger hole if there's room, but you don't need to. It may be easier for your child to keep their index finger outside of the hole so they can get more support. Move your thumb up and down to operate the scissors. Hold the scissors perpendicular to the object you want to cut. Lift your thumb to open the blades. Put the object you're cutting between them. Press your thumb down to close the blades and cut through the material. Open the blades again and move your scissors to the end of the cut if you need to continue. Avoid bending your wrist while cutting with scissors, since you may not make a clean cut through the material. Always keep the blade of the scissors pointed away from you so you don't accidentally hurt yourself. If you want a child to practice cuts, try giving them straw, construction paper, or Play-Doh to help them develop their skills. Always supervise a child while they're using scissors so they don't hurt themselves. That's what you gotta do to use scissors correctly. Now, here's my issue. Do you see how scissors work on a shearing motion, right? Here's my trick. Since I only have right-handed scissors and I'm left-handed, if I move in such a way that if I apply pressure with my thumb in such a way that I'm pushing the blades together, they actually work better. Even though they're right-handed scissors, I can get them to work with my left hand. If I just hold them normally, the blades are too far apart, they don't cut anything, it just bends. If that's a common issue for you, apply pressure with your thumb and your fingers towards it, like you're closing your Lego hand. That should make the blades move closer together and give you a better cut. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope this was helpful.